Right, seeing as I've just finished a quick Saturday morning tidy up, thought I'd give you a tour of the warehouse. The quickest moving probably that we have. The things you'll see me pack most often on here. Auger Torque drive units from, don't actually have any 1200s in, but that's the smallest at the moment. 1500s, 2500s, 3500s, there's one there. My hitch bracket on it and hoses fitted. And then augers everywhere. These are all boxed, they're 150 tungstens, 300s, more 300s, 250s. They are on their box with the teeth fitted, but with the pilot you can see up in there just ready to get bolted on. With one big drive unit in, one big 35,000 max. And the stillage there. There's the forklift you'll see me using most days in the order packing videos. Kanjini flails along the top shelf, quite a few of them in still. Various sizes for different size mini diggers. There's one under there as well. What else we got? Compactor plates, rotating selector grabs, hedge trimmers, stock of hedge trimmers in there, brackets, cradle brackets for the augers, brackets for the hedge trimmers, more auger brackets, just different sizes. What else are we getting? It's worth showing you. Mini loader drive units up in there for small cast loaders, stuff like that. In the cradle, in the cages over here, a load of prefabricated hitch brackets. So we started storing them like this, buying them in pre-made, like these here. Buy them in pre-made in different sizes, different pin diameters, different pin centres. That allows us to take one of them, weld it to a cradle assembly, like there's one completed there. Weld it to a cradle assembly, get it completed in a day or two. It just cuts down the turnaround time and ultimately the time it takes to get it out to customers. Half metre extensions, 1 metre extensions, telescopic extensions, various packing materials. There's the banding machine, some more brackets. Over here are small stock of log splitting cones. You can see in the back there a 200 and a 250. The rest are up in that pallet. You've seen me a couple of videos ago packing a load up to go to the US. So they're in there. That's really us. Oh, I'll show you quickly in here. This is, ignore the mess because office, we've got laptop, printer, Phil Taylor signed shirt, and then a bunch of small parts, pins and clips, wear parts, teeth, etc, etc. Mulcher belts. That's really us. That's more hitch brackets, some S-type ones in there. Another log splitting cone sample that we got from a manufacturer. Some more bits and pieces. Up, you'll see behind me up here, oh I can't zoom in, up here. A couple of tilt buckets and some things that were... So that's it, that's a quick tour around the warehouse. What's in stock just now. Yeah, any questions, leave me a comment if it's related to what we do, things we stock, how we operate here, whatever. Leave me a comment, I'll try my best to answer it for you as best of my knowledge. Small business questions, whatever, leave me a comment, let me know. Okay, bye.